Hello, today I will solve an algorithm problem about Radix Sort. Let's start. Firstly, I'm writing to ChatGPT. Can you give me a basic practice question on Radix Sort with base R? But don't give me answer. I write like that. Then ChatGPT answered me. Question: consider the following list of integers. This is an array. Perform a pass of Radix sort on this list using base r equal 10. Show the intermediate result after processing the digits in the units place. Remember to follow the steps of Radix sort, including distributing the elements into buckets and then collecting them back into a new list. Feel free to attempt the solution, and if you have, okay, it's not needed. Okay, now I will think how can I solve this question, and I will back again. Actually, I will solve question. Yes, I will back again. Yes, I thought how can I solve. Let's start. Firstly, Radix sort is a linear time, non-comparative sorting algorithm that works by distributing elements into buckets according to their individual digits. Let's perform a pass of Radix sort on the given list. Given list is that this list. Using a base r of on, r equal on. Distributing into buckets. I will create 10 buckets, 0 to 9. Group the numbers based on their digits in the unit place. Let's start. Bucket 0, then bucket 1. I will like that. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Bucket 0 is not. Bucket 1. I will do this. I'm doing this bucket more about how can I say most significant digits. Yes. Firstly, most significant digit is 0, but there is not. Then most significant digit 1, but there is not. 6, 2, there is not. 3, there is not. There is one. There are 3. 3, 56. Yes, 356. Then most significant digit 4. There are 422. Sorry, 23. Then 5. There is not. Then 6. There is not. 7. There are 719. 8. There are 801. 9. 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm right. Then concatenate. I will concatenate the numbers from the buckets in order. How can I do? Then great job. It looked like correctly performed the list part. Okay, the number I need to buy is based on the and then collect band. Yes, I will do this. Then I collect concatenate the numbers from the in order. I will do firstly group 1. So bucket 3 because there is how can I say I forgot, sorry. There is empty, and I will start this one. Then this group. Then this group, empty. I will continue this group with this group. Then 9, 2. Yes. The list after the first pass based on the unit place is the next pass would be based on the tens place, and we continue this process until all digits are considered. Yes. Excellent work. You said complete the first part of Radix Sort and the numbers from the bucket. If you have any further question, if you don't, but this question wants to me perform puzzle for this or show the intermediate result. Show the intermediate, but I don't. How? Time. Okay. Absolutely. Let's proceed with the next pass in the Radix Sort. In the second pass, you'll need to consider the tens place digit. Here's a step. Distribute. Take list Okay, and to distribute the numbers into buckets based on their tens, please collect. After distributing, collect the numbers back into. After distributing the numbers back into new list, repeat above steps each. Present all the okay. In this, you need. I did that, but I find same result. Please help me. How can I solve? Just a second. It seems like you encountered the scenario where numbers remain in the same order after the second list, and numbers list have same digits in the tens place as well. In such case, it is crucial to ensure that the stability of the sort is maintained, meaning that the order of elements is equal to the ordinals. Here is what you can do. Stability. If your initial implementation doesn't present sorting online, insert the short double check. Base case and you tried these sentences and are still facing users. Feel free to share. Okay, but intermediate results. Okay. What is the results? Second past tense, please. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But same thing, connect them back into a new list. Okay, intermediate results, same thing actually. In this case, the number remains the same order after the second pass, which is expected when the tenth place is It's expected when the tenth place digits are the same for all numbers. If your implementation is stable, with equal case should remain the same as ordinals. Now, if you completed the second pass and still have questions and encounters, free to share your code to describe specific facing interview. Okay, thank you. Then other question. Can you give me a basic practice question on analyzing running time of Radix Sort algorithm to sort n integers in range 1 to n square? Oh my god. Okay. ChatGPT. Consider a list of n integers, each in the range from 1 to n square. You are tasked with sorting this list using the Radix Sort algorithm with base r equal 10. The integers are represented in the base 10 as well. Assume that each integer has d digits. Determine the maximum number of digits d in the integers. This system are available by base 10 as well as each integer has d digits. Each integer has d digits. Determine the maximum number of digit d in the integers. Analyze the running time of Radix Sort for provide b on an in briefly in your reasoning. Okay, I will think how can I solve and I will come back again. Let's start with first part. Determine the maximum number of digits in the integers. Firstly, the maximum value of the integers is n squared because we are range 1 to n squared. The maximum number of these digits the maximum number of these range is n squared. To find the number of digits in a base 10 number, we use the algorithm. This is a rule. D equal, I learned new this one, log 10 and square log 10 n square plus 1. Then this is first part. This equation finds the floor of the base 10 logarithm of n squared and adds 1 to account for the leftmost digit. Then second question, analyze the running time of the Radix Sort algorithm. The Radix Sort algorithm process each digit of the integers sequentially from the least significant digit to the most significant digit. In this case, we are using base 10, so there are d passes throughout the array, one pass for each digit. For each pass, the Radix sort performs as stable sort based on the values of the digit, assuming each digit's processing takes O1 time. The time complexity for each pass is On. Since there are d passes, the overall time complexity of Radix sort is OD cross n. Now substitute the expression for d from part 1 into the time complexity expression. OD cross n equal I write like that. Assuming each digit's processing takes Yes. Assuming each digit processing takes O1 time, the time complex for each pass is O n digit. Since there are D passes, the overall time yes, no. We will write O D cross N equal log 10 n square. So, and log 10 yes, this. Yes, like that. Then I need to simplify, but I cannot do. Please help me starting out and expect expression on the scale. So okay, so n square equal 2 log m. Okay, substitute this into this expression. O to and combine log n plus 2n again plus n and drop the lower O to n log linear orientation. Set by expression from the if you have any more questions, okay. Okay. I understand. So what is Yes. Therefore, some MU express OM log n. Okay. This one is growth rate, but actually time complexity is that. Okay. My homework is finished.